Welcome back again in a new video. In this video, I will talk about the subqueries. What is the subqueries? I will talk about in very detail. So, queries is subqueries is a query inside another query. I have a query suppose select name marks from student, right? And it should be visible to you. I selected the name marks uh, student from student. Now enter where the marks, right? This should be greater than to select average of marks, and it should be greater, it should marks should be greater than this average. Okay, and it should be from a student, right? And colon semicolon. When you hit the enter, you will get the marks that would be greater than average. If it is available in the table, then it will be provided. If it is not, then not provided, right? Let's enter. Now you can see the average marks. If it is available, means which is the average marks is greater than. So 85 and 90, these are the average marks to greater than value, means 85 or 90. So this way you can apply the sub, and if you want to take another example, you can take here, but for that we will have to add on some more table in a student, right? Let's insert into the student, right? Name and marks and the values, then like that. One marks we have to insert here, so it would be AG to handle the operation, because operation is longer, that's why it's not working. Insert, and now we can select from a student, right? Now we have 84 four elements, four row present in a table. Now we will apply on here the operation. So we will have to find out the students whose element, whose marks equal or any of the top scores. So how you will find, means whose marks is equal and any of the top score. Like this, select name, name from a student, like where, right? The mark in, the marks in, mark in is what, inside. Select the marks from student, right? Where the is marks is greater than 85. This is the question. And now this is, you can see here, this is the subquery, right? This way you can apply the subquery, where you where, after the where you can apply the subquery, right? Just you have keep in mind. When you hit the enter, you will find the name have achieved the name have achieved the 80s or more than marks, means Neha and this Sita have achieved 85 to more than marks. You can see here the Sita have achieved 90 and Neha have 85, 88. That's it. That's the name you found. This is the called the subquery. I hope you will get understood what is a subquery and how it's work and how to apply the query on the table.